time. I don't have a Russian passport or anything like that, so it's 600 for Russian citizens and some other groups to get inside the paid, not free place. That's lower park. But if you're for others, it's 1,200. That's like 13 euros, which is too much. I'm gonna try to get inside from the other side, from the free park if it's open. If it's not, the B plan is to go and film more of the city, of the town of Peterhof. You're still welcome to join. Oh my God, I didn't know that, and I thought I was able to turn to this other park anytime, but no, it's all blocked. I'm gonna go to the toilet. So pardon for a small break in the stream. Just a second, guys. Stay tuned. But then I'm gonna really release it. It's gonna have a more dramatic thing to it. Check it out, the flag in the back. All right, we are walking in New Peterhof, city of the town, municipal town of St. Petersburg. We're getting back to the place we started from. I'm gonna continue to new locations. We have time. Okay. But imagine, guys. I don't know, it used to be 4 years ago, ticket, if I remember correctly, the ticket to Peterhof was like 700, and now it's for non-residents, non-citizens, 1,200. That's a lot. I don't want to pay like 400, it's too much. I was like thinking about 600, should I pay or not? And then I don't have any, papers on me that would prove that I'm Russian, because I'm not. And so yeah, weird stuff. And you know what was weird also? That's where was I last time, guys? If you remember my stream from it's the next municipal town from here, the Oranienbaum. I streamed 4 weeks ago, and it was the same situation. There was a mansion area where we went, and they asked the same thing, that it's for residents. That I said there was less tourists, because this here is one of the main attractions. There's like hundreds of thousands of visitors every day. So I don't probably wouldn't be able to bullshit my way in. But in Oranienbaum, I said, I don't have any papers with me, what can I do? And they said, well, do you have like, I don't know, St. Petersburg metro ticket? And of course I do. And that was enough to prove that I'm local. So yeah, very interesting. Let's go a bit further. Maybe it's closed now, that park, but if it is, we're gonna go through other places. I have an idea. So we're back where we left a while ago. It looks actually pretty bad. Hotel Samson. Hotel Samson. But these places are all historical. Beautiful historical places. It's like is it like an ancient Greek or something like that? What it's based on. Check it out. There's a beautiful place inside. It's like a hotel, a restaurant inside. Nice. Pretty cool. Man, I would like to go there. That's where we were supposed to go, but from the upper side. But my guess is that it's closed because a lot of people would go also to this part of park. And there's very, very little amounts of people here. Maybe the entrance was like here. Wow. There's like is that Bulgaria flag or what? Not sure. What flag is it? Romania, Bulgaria. Let me know in the comments. So yes, it says it's closed for restoration. Of course it is. What a luck I have today. That's where we wanted to go. What can you do? Gotta check out new places here in Peterhof. Park is one of the places. You can check out my older video. Now in Peterhof, and we're gonna explore Peterhof suburban area, mansions, and how people live here. Subscribe to the channel. Something you don't see when you're talking about Peterhof. And by the way, fly zone, and that's an amazing view over there. This is municipality. That flag is the flag of municipality, city, town of Peterhof. Got it. And the street is Samsonevskaya улица, meaning it's Samson's street. That's why the hotel over there behind that tree is called Samson's. In this house, here in this building, so this is like a city hall, town hall, and these governors of this town, or actually the palace, they lived in this building here. Lihardov, starting from 1847 all the way to 1917, Lermontov. And we all know what happened in 1917. And if you don't, the revolution and the Tsar was overthrown. Check it out, this is like a nice magazine. It has everything for home, it says. Hello, Michael K. We had some technical issues, but now I think we're on the move. Are you still searching for a house? Here's a good place to live. If you don't mind hundreds of thousands of tourists. We're going back to I filmed earlier. From this awesome lake. We're gonna go around it from the other side. So here's an awesome embankment. Nice, Michael. I know a place for you here, but it's not St. Petersburg. It's part of St. Petersburg, but 40-minute train ride away. I'm gonna get back to the suburban area in a second. Buildings, suburban area on the other side of the lake. This is a very nice place, I gotta say. What's weird is that I haven't seen any scooters. Maybe they're like forbidden here. Nice ducks. Nice picturesque town. I like the green and nature, yeah. And I had the other stream cut off abruptly. We checked out this amazing church on my left. In a second we'll show you that. That church over there was amazing from the inside. Some old 19th century, early 1900s wooden houses. And guys, you can hold up. You can ask me questions about anything, non-political, because if people want to argue about stuff that doesn't concern the channel, you can do it elsewhere. So this here is also a park, and very interesting entryways. As you can see, they're like covered in grass, which is really weird. Better equipment, guys. Getting tired of this. This is Peter and Paul Church in Peterhof city. Here's a circus arrived to town. Some music. We're gonna check out what's going on. Almost dropped the CS, and I do have like a gimbal which is attached to another piece that's it's not stable. Drink some water. I had some beer in the suburbs of Peterhof already. You'll see that in a later video. Some people made some stuff they can lie on ages ago though. And I can see a cat over here. There's a cat. She's hiding. Can you? What's going on? hiding. I have food. I fed already a couple of cats. Hey. What do you have there? Let's feed him. Yeah, sneaky one. I have food. Last package. Maybe he's hungry. Будешь кушать? Hold up, I don't like the way this is moving. There you go. Hey. I know cats. He thinks he thinks we're not here actually, probably that's why. He thinks he's invisible. Будешь? Hey. I shouldn't be doing this. Будешь кушать? Hey. Let's put him some food there. Let's see if he comes out. Come on. That's wrong. Maybe wasted in. Let's go further away. Maybe he will eat. I know one cat who will eat. I will bring the rest. I had a suspicion he wouldn't eat, so I took a half package. But I met a couple of cats in that building, behind that building over there. And they were really happy to eat, really friendly. So let's get them another package, some more meat. This here is a lossos. This is actually salmon. I always buy some food to bring with me. This looks nice, by the way. You can lie here. Definitely not city made. Somebody just decided to do that stuff. That's nice of you, Igor. He who has mercy on the creations will have mercy on him. So thank you, Michael. Nice words. Every time I'm walking around, I most often have food with me. I prepare actually. I prepare myself, so I had 3 packages today of cat food, and I buy always more before I leave to do some streams and film. Not just for the camera, actually. It's bad for the camera, you know, because it's boring after a few seconds. But I don't stop recording. All right, walking back on the embankment. I had another stream before this, which was cut off. I will add it together. You will see this whole thing later on, because the stream will be. I will take the stream away and re-release it in a better time. This way, you get the whole picture. That's that park over there is. They have a couple of nice pavilions, but same thing. They cost like 600 rubles, and I think it's only for citizens. That means it's also like 1,000 ruble thing to get in over there. Like, hey, come on, that's a lot of money. Like 10 euros, over 10 euros. That's a lot of money for a museum. Thank you, Michael, for super sticker. Thank you so much. Thank you for supporting. Feels good. Can I check out these stores over here, because we walked already through there. I want to explore new stuff since I wasn't able to go to the free park of Peterhof. Yeah, this is where I walked last time, so we're gonna walk through here. So this is like a small market place of Peterhof. Yeah, It's a magnet shop. It's not like that's not a farmer's place. It's just a normal store. Hey, let's buy some cat food over here. Здравствуйте.
Здравствуйте.
Есть кошачья еда?
Шеба нет.
Любая, просто самая простая.
Ну, типа такого может быть гурме есть и феликс, или вот подороже там. Смотрю.
Дайте куриную, есть куриная? Да, курица и кролики, два пакета.
Это который будет?
Гурме.
Гурме?
Дешевле есть?
Ну, дешевле только вот этот вот, по 25.
Она как там, не очень?
Ну, такой самый простой феликс.
Я просто это на улице вижу котов и кормлю. Подойдет
на
им?
улице сойдет, да. По 25.
Ну, не то, что они хуже, лучше.
Двойные. Ну, кормят люди нормально.
Давайте,
кормят.
дайте тогда их там на 100 сколько.
Ну, я 4 разных вида.
Да. Тут не очень много бездомных, да? Или есть?
Бездомных везде хватает.
Да?
Там за забором они живут.
Люди кормят, да? Говорите?
Да, так, вроде что-то дают. Сами выходят. 100 рублей.
Сейчас. Можно этими?
Да, пожалуйста.
Знаете, вот. Ой, hard with one hand. Так. Можно 250 дать, чтобы 150 получить? Не монетами. Возможно? Или легче вам как? Я уже запутался. Там 50. Да, спасибо.
Пожалуйста.
Пошел искать.
Ну, там вот за забором. Где,
Туда? Прямо, да?
как вот выйдете отсюда с рынка,
Да.
да? Там вот за забором они, ну как вот, вещевой рынок и заборчик начинается между больницей.
То есть
рынком.
там их много, типа, да?
Ну да, там 4 точно.
О, хорошо, спасибо. All right. People feed them, she said. What's up? A bit more. Cheaper one, but more. And she said you go out of the market, turn right. And wow, really nice. The difference is here, there's a lot of Russians here. And not like, you know, usually marketplaces are filled with people from Caucasus. 2,000, whoa. These are like proper made. Like China. Is the word China, correct? And let's have a chebureki also, by the way.
Спасибо.
Здравствуйте. Нету больше чебуреков?
Один есть. Вам один?
Да, мясной он, да?
Да, с мясом.
Давайте. Nice чебуреки. Сколько стоит?
150 рублей.
Oh, that's not cheap. Сейчас вот. Уже закрывается рынок, да? Или что? Закрывается уже все тут? Нет?
Закрывается, нет.
Нет?
Работаем до 8 часов.
Вы новые готовите, то есть? Раз.
Да. Как продаю, сразу новое, снова готовлю.
Стойте. Может быть, не хватит.
Если нет, хватит с вас, не надо ковырять.
Есть.
Спасибо.
Спасибо.
Слушайте на здоровье.
Спасибо. If you don't have the last 10 rubles, it's okay. I found it. I said, are you closing already? No, we're working till 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock, guys. Alright, guys, let's go through here. What did you say after the gates? Like these gates, or where the cats live. Alright, guys, let's. It's time to eat some chebureki. And 1 hour to go, so we have to head up back. Whoa. Really good price, 250 rubles for a strawberry. Right, this is a proper чебуреки. Oh my god. You know when some workers, do it with hearts. She loves what she's doing, and you can taste it. Cash now. This is very, very good. Yeah, it's a pricey. This one was pricey, but it's a big one. Unifest Festival, Street Art, Culture for kids. And this is Culture Center this year. Cascade. American culture. We're going to Suburbs now. While eating чебуреки, Soviet food. Me too, I love the architecture. Sorry for talking with my mouth full. Oh, this is Peterhof. Holy, sorry. But yeah, that's the courtyard inside the yard of this house where I went already. We'll see it later. And we will check out the new streets. Man, this is awesome tasting, I'm telling you. I've been traveling since morning, so I just had a breakfast sausage. That's it. This here is typical Soviet 60s building. I love it because surrounding is usually something like this. beautiful, nice, cool breeze. Man, this is excellent. I had cheboreki yesterday in a restaurant, which was great. But these, when they are good, they're the best. You cannot win. The ones bought from these small shops, usually by a Caucasian lady. This here is City Polyclinic, number 12, 122, sorry. Lots of green, yes. Wow. I give the cheboreki 10 out of 10. Without exaggerating. Simply awesome. Just what I needed. But now we need to find some cats. I'm not sure will we. Parks everywhere. Well, this is Peterhof, was the summer house of Peter the Great. Let's go through here. And yes, please like the video. Gonna go, there's suburbs, suburban houses, but maybe over here as well. Then a little down the road, this is called Old Peterhof, right? So one station forward away from St. Petersburg is a new Peterhof, and there's more buildings there and houses. It's a bit further from this park than this one, this station here. So there's two ways to travel to Peterhof, and not this city. I've been especially to that park and the tens of mansions and pavilions. That's what, and of course the fountains. The Versailles type English gardens is what people arrive here for. Not my cup of tea. I like it, and I wanted to show you but not for 1,000 rubles. And so I actually enjoy this suburban walk even more with you guys. Can you imagine that? So yeah, that's this is actually what I like more. So it's a destiny. AJ, do you ever come across those markets where they sell Soviet medals? Yes, I do, and the big one, huge one, is the one I've filmed many times. Udelka, Udelnaya. And you can check it out, the flea market. There's lots of Soviet memorabilia, etc. And newer and later stuff. Check out Udelne on my channel. If not, comment in the section, not on the chat, but in the comment section, and I will give you the link to the few videos. I was offered actually also to buy an antique Finnish weapon, Finka, that's what he said. Salesman Igor, Andrei. And you can buy lots of stuff, but people don't like to be filmed over there many times. So there's a park, there's some houses. Let's go to see some houses. This is just a park. It's nice, but it's not maybe possibly not the most entertaining for you guys. So let's go through this type of nice pathway and see if we can find some cats before going to the train station. I have time. I still have time to walk around and film. Yes, and I also filmed, since I like to film so-called Russian world, post-Soviet countries as well. Also filmed in Riga. I went to a flea market and found some medals. And by the way, speaking of medals, I do have my Soviet Latvian badge with me. Hold up. Are you ready? There you go. Soviet press from 65. Journalist, Soviet journalist at work, Igor. Hello. Let's just walk around in hopes of finding a stray cat, but also in hopes of just enjoying and seeing how the people live in Peterhof, municipal city. Girls there. People are like, this is a really nice place, guys, I have to say. Emmanuel, beautiful place, so green, and you can hear the birds singing. Yes. Unfortunately, I didn't film all the gloriness of Russian Versailles, which is Peterhof, but I guess I could do another video. I would be exhausted and it would have cost, for now at least, too much for a quick 1 hour stream, because I have 1 hour until the train leaves and I'm sure it's gonna be packed. This Peterhof is one of the most popular tourist locations, one of the top locations. So, and today is a certain day when, Saturday, people arriving from here and also Lomonosov. So it's really packed. And plus it's gonna be probably really hot. This whole street is under renovation, by the way, the whole street. Which doesn't make it look good for the camera. But you can see that these are all historical buildings, left and right. Finally, last time I was in Lesnaya, St. Petersburg area. I found a place where I could buy this St. Petersburg flag. Finally, this NVD. What is this? It's a military place. Over here. Historical. Not barrack building, but anyway, historical buildings for sure. Man, where are all the cats? It won't go to waste, I'm sure, but still. Now I feel bad that I bought the cheapest food, because that special store has higher prices than like grocery stores. Grocery stores you can buy a pretty okay cat food for 25. Here you could buy just really never heard of brand Other ones were twice as pricey. Good that these have been hopefully restored. There's tons of stuff only in St. Petersburg to be restored, waiting in line. Looks like it's like a football field there. Check it out. See how closed areas. But unexpectedly the doors are open. I don't know if I'm trespassing. I might be trespassing. Somebody asked. I'm feeding the cats. Pretty cool. Check out the details. And then there's this one here. Boom. Right, moving on, guys. Yes, that's how I do. I've been going inside city area, like private house, not private houses, but private closed gates and doors, etc. What can you do? Well, this I don't know what is it, academy or something, whatever. It's a beautiful building. That's apartment on sale, so go buy it. That's a pretty cool house actually. Cabinet vacuum therapy. What is it? What does that mean? Don't sound the horn. We have cameras. Really nice little town. Life here is totally different compared to city center, like totally. But like St. Petersburg center. But if you go outside, if you go like let's say some places, some St. Petersburg suburbs actually look like really nice. Like for real. So and I mean they all are, but I mean really quiet, beautiful and peaceful. So it's similar to this one, but here is definitely more space, smaller buildings. Let me check out the map quickly, just don't go away. Buses are also the same color and the same buses as in St. Petersburg, because this is St. Petersburg's basically region. Guys, do you want to ask maybe something about Peterhof or in Russia in general, my travel here? You have a chance to do so. Streaming a while. I want to show you the new Peterhof. It's called New Peterhof railway station. That's really nice place, and you need to see it. And here on the map was, I don't know whose, but some kind of a rich man's, I cannot pronounce his name, historical, like from the Russian Empire era. his dacha. And it was supposed to look bad, but now it's restored, so the Google Maps is not on point. Check it out, this here, wow. Boulevard, really nice little boulevard, it's not even little. More white brick buildings. Now I know where we are. Yes, this is the magnet where I visited. Only by beer I have to travel 40 minutes. 40 minutes elsewhere to St. Petersburg. You don't want to get in trouble during the trip. Plus it's gonna be packed, I'm afraid. I might post a picture for the members from inside the train once I get there. Just enjoying the scenery, me too, and great to hear. This is behind the house, so this is the entrance to those buildings, to these apartment buildings. Now I know where we are. I started my trip from here. I would like to see a cat because I have opened cat food, which would be nice to give to the needy ones. There's a lady watering the flowers. See like a small hole from that. That's possible for one entry point for a cat, but it's too small actually. So somebody's cat walks around and comes back home. Nice. So we're just like a couple of minutes away from the train station, which you need to see. It's pretty cool looking actually. Possibly I would say it's actually the best looking building in the whole of Peterhof. Good question. AJ gives a good questions because I don't know, he's interested in answers. So let's go through here actually. The locals do themselves, like the general thing, but if you're talking about like putting some flowers and watering them, it's all privately done. That door is actually open. I'm not gonna go in for sure. It's a shame that this building is abandoned. It looks old. So yeah, and many locals actually also make really beautiful work and make it like you can check out some of the latest videos. Check out the video where it's called like something about meeting the locals, Prospect Slave, meeting the locals, World War II bunker, something like that. I released it this week, and there, for example, I'm walking around and there's a lady who's actually working on the courtyard, on the garden, outdoor garden. So yeah, definitely it's on the local side, and not about the locals. It's on the shoulders of those who like to do it, because those who don't do anything, somebody appreciate it, somebody just doesn't care. Because the lady was actually complaining, and I heard this before because I talk to the babushkas all the time. She said that they let their cats and dogs piss there, which means it becomes, it doesn't grow as well. The flowers don't grow that well. That's what they said. So I was defending the cats for as long as I could. All right, behind those trees, it's beautiful, amazing. New Peterhof's train station. And the station is really, really beautiful, guys. You can see it already now. That tower there. But what I'm concerned of is that in Russia, listen guys, in St. Petersburg, when it's rush hour, it's rush hour. And this is one of the top tourist sites which we didn't visit, because we visited the actual city, municipal city. Why he's running? I was like, oh my god, am I late? So we have a fast speed train, Lastishka ticket, which is a little bit more expensive, but still the ticket cost us 170 rubles there and back. So imagine that when somebody asks for 1,200 rubles for entrance. I was shocked. Anyway, guys, so yeah, I'm afraid that it's gonna get packed. I won't be filming there, trust me. All right, I want you guys to see this. This is really, really cool. I actually don't know how to cross. How do I cross the street? I think the tunnel is there. Yes, that's how they usually are. Check it out. The new Peterhof train station. Why everybody's running? Am I late for Should I leave actually even quicker? I don't want to run, that's for sure. I'm gonna walk a little bit faster, just in case. Problem is, I don't remember where my ticket is. You need a ticket to get on the platform. Oh my god. It's here. Stiglitz. That's the man's name. Yes, good Igor, the ticket is here. Let's go, guys. Peterhof back is now added to Igor in Russia Google map. I might be late, yeah. But I was going to 1714, but if there's like another one, I might go there now. but if it's like super long, it must take time too long. She had roller skates on, so. This is the side that I haven't been here, but it's like more like cottages here. The main place, the main suburban area was where we went. You have to have a ticket.
У меня тоже, на всех.
Hey, yes, we're gonna. Thanks, guys. This is. We are going to the right train. It is the same train that I wanted, but this was a bit earlier, so I'm able to go to St. Petersburg earlier and able to film. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I have 3 minutes to take the camera away and check out the membership. I'm gonna post a picture if it's gonna get crazy. And hello from... Yes, Peterhof is the same thing. Correct. Alright, bye bye. Thanks for watching.